can tell that's packed tight. She's popping. So far it's been a good winter. I think we're at 12 or 13 storms now. It's right around February. I think today's February 21st. So it's been pretty good. Last year we had 11 storms total for the whole winter. We've already got that beat. This bucket I'm using, I think it's about a half a yard bucket. Be nice to have a snow bucket, but be nice to have a lot of things. It does the job. A few more extra trips. So I hope everyone's having a good winter. Everybody that's in the snow removal business, I hope you're having a great winter. Lots of profit. This winter for breakdowns, it's been pretty good. We've only had one hydraulic line break on the tilt cylinder there, the bucket. Other than that, knock on wood, we've been really lucky. The tractor's got 650 hours and still working good as new. I haven't headed into the dealer yet, but I think this spring, when things are slow, I'm going to take it into the dealer and get them to go over everything. You know, just change all the fluids and give it a good look. Loose bolts, things that need adjusted. I don't mind doing the odd oil change and stuff like that, fuel filters, but it's nice to have the professionals go over everything and have a set of cold eyes and look at everything. Sometimes they catch things that you wouldn't see, especially where it's under warranty. Now you can see where I'm putting this snow. I'm going to blow it out into those trees over there. And if I had an inverted snowblower, I wouldn't be able to do it. So there's there's a place for every style of snowblower, that's for sure. I'm glad I got this blower's hard on the neck looking behind you all the time, but I'm glad I got this blower for jobs like that right there. If I hadn't inverted, I wouldn't be able to get rid of this snow. So there's a time and place for every style of snowblower. I think we're supposed to get another big storm on the 28th, the end of this month. Yesterday it was like 0 degrees Celsius, so I got the pressure washer out, cleaned everything off, the truck, the tractor, the snowplow. It's nice to get those days where you can get rid of clean all the salt off. And keeps everything from rusting on you. There's a big chunk. It's nice to get rid of all this snow too. It helps the yard dry quicker in the spring. Got our firewood all cut. Got it in 12-foot lengths. I got to buck it up. But we got it for next year. We got 6 cord. That all ready. It's nice with the tractor. I usually put the forks on and just pick it up waist high, so I'm not bending over, bucking it up. Saves the back. See if we can get this big piece. That's heavy. Oh, squatting the tires. Soon might have to chew her up with the blower. You never have enough room, can you? You could have 50 acres and you still need more room. think every guy's the same. Build a garage, it's never big enough. Tractor's never big enough. Any guys out there that watch the channel that just started a snow removal business this winter? If there is, comment below how you making out this winter. Getting lots of business? I hope you are. What are you using for equipment? Are you using a truck and a plow, or you got a tractor, or just a snow blower? I don't know what it is, but it seems to be young people today, few and far between, that have much drive, you know, to want to start a business or go to work. My stepson, he does my shoveling for me. He does an excellent job. Doesn't matter if it's 2 in the morning, 5 in the morning. He's up, helps me do all the shoveling. I'll do the plowing, he's got the shoveling done by the time I got the plowing done, so it works out good. But yeah, back to being a young guy and starting a business, there's a lot of opportunity right now. A lot of the older guys that were successful are retired, they're getting older. You know, I don't know what it's like in your area, but there's not a whole lot of young people that are starting businesses right now. I think a lot of it too is the government. It's not as easy these days as it was 30, 40 years ago to fire up a business. Insurance was cheap. Everything was cheap. You didn't have government down your back. Everybody with their hand out. You could make it a good, honest living. I do see a few young people on YouTube that have started businesses, whether it's snow removal or lawn care or whatever it is they seem to start. If they have the drive and they have the pride in their work, hard work, they're successful. I don't think it matters what age you are. If I'd have started my business when I was 20, it probably wouldn't have worked. I had other things in mind, like partying. I just wasn't ready for a business at that time. So I don't think it matters what age you are, really. You can be 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Whenever you're ready to start, you're going to be successful if you put the hard work in. not sure if you guys can see that. That's a wrench sticking out of that snow. I just took a scoop out of the bank there, and yeah, that wouldn't have been good. I can't believe that out of that great big snowbank and that bucket, I was able to see the end of that wrench. Let's go out and have a look. That would have destroyed, well, would have broke shear pin for sure. So I lost that wrench. Well, we found it, 1.25 inches. I must have left that laying on the ground back in the fall. So yeah, that would have definitely popped a shear pin and maybe broke something else, who knows, but that was just pure luck right there. Having that, out of all this snow, having that wrench, the end of that wrench stick out like that so I could see it. I was lucky. Well, we got it all cleaned up, guys, good enough. More room for the next storm. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate the support. If you're new to the channel, please like and hit that subscribe for more videos. I'm going to send you up in the drone for a flight while we blow that big pile off into the woods.